Today we will be demonstrating how to change a head part. Toolkit needed: adjustable wrench, star screwdriver, water pump plier and cloth. Step 1. Turn off the main water supply. Step 2. Open the hot and cold taps until water stops running. Step 3. Turn handle screw anti-clockwise to loosen handle, then remove handle from spindle. Step 4. Turn bell cover anti-clockwise to remove. Step 5. Using adjustable wrench, loosen brass hex nut to remove mechanism. Step 6. Make sure that all your sealing surfaces are undamaged. Step 7. Take new head part. Ensure it is fully open by turning the handle anti-clockwise. Step 8. Fit new brass mechanism into tap body and nip tight with adjustable wrench. Step 9. Fit handle onto top of spindle and tighten screw. Step 10. Ask somebody to turn on the water mains. As water begins to flow, close the tap and check for any leaks. Continue enjoying your renewed tap. Cobra, the brand you trust. For further technical support and advice, call us on 0861 21 21 21.